Okay, we're now in Belgium. Belgium. This is how the community looks like. Very quiet. Very quiet place. Okay, let's walk. Give me that name. Hey, mga naglakad lang sila, oh.
Yeah.
Where is the chocolate factory?
Itong pwede. Nakita ko yan ang sa
Yeah.
circle. Kaya pwede punta sa harapan dito sa side.
No, we just follow those two pairs there. Follow them.